What is ICJ, International Court of Justice? It is one among the six principal organs of United Nations, and it is seated in the Peace Palace in The Hague, Netherlands. Keep remember, ICJ is the only UN principal organ that is not situated in New York. The chief judicial organ of the UN, sometimes it is also known as World Court. ICJ was established by UN Charter in 1945 and it became functional in 1946 when it replaced the Permanent Court of International Justice, which was established in the Peace Palace in 1922. All the 193 member countries of UN are automatically parties to ICJ. These nations who are not the member countries of the UN, they may also become parties to ICJ by following the statute and especially Article 93, which explains the procedures to become a party of ICJ. What is the chief and primary function of ICJ? Primary function of ICJ is to settle disputes submitted by parties according to international law. This court also gives advisory opinions on legal matters submitted by any of the UN bodies or specialized agencies. The official languages of ICJ are two. One is English and the other is French. ICJ is composed of 15 judges, and these 15 judges have a tenure of 9 years each. The judges are distributed as per the regions: 3 from Africa, 2 from Latin America and the Caribbean region, 3 from Asia, 5 from Western Europe, and 2 from Eastern Europe. Among these 15 judges, there is a president, vice president, and registrar.